sometimes when I buy chicken breast or chicken thigh, it comes with the skin on, but the recipe doesn't require it. Don't waste it. I have a fantastic little tip for you. If you like, you can make chicken crackling. It's so delicious to garnish a salad or even as a snack. So what you need to do is just use your fingers to slowly tease away the skin, just like that, and leave it in one big piece. So my chicken thigh is ready for my next curry, and then the chicken skin can go onto a tray. And once I've removed all the skin from the thighs, I'm going to place another tray on top so it stays nice and flat, and it goes into the oven 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's golden and very crispy. And look at this crispy, flat chicken crackling. So good. I want you to hear how delightful this sounds. Oh, so good. But we do need to season it to make it taste extra special. So some good quality salt over the top on each. And like I said, you can have this as a snack or use it as that textural component for a salad. So I like to just break it up over the top. That takes a standard green salad to all new heights. I'm gonna have a taste. It's so good. And the best thing about this is there's no wastage whatsoever.